Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. So today we have another model, a new unboxing of a Sophiart from Autoart models, and it's in Koenigsegg Regera and in a green color. Starting with the box, it's in blue color with carbon fiber texture on it. Really nice box with the Sophiart logo in front and on the top as well, as you can see over here. Here you are. So let's bring the model out and see. There you are. It's in green color, green carbon effect color, and with orange interior, or you can say a very nice with black carbon wheels. Very nice model. I got it again from carmodels.com. A very nice person, and with very fast shipping and very good rates. I'll suggest that you guys should also visit his website and have a look. They have a very good collection of Koenigsegg and other models as well. So this one is in green color, and I love this color, and it was a different color, but it was available in Sophiart. But again, it's not that bad. It's a bit lower version of Autoart, but still, maybe, I don't know, but it's a very good model. I love the color and the specs on it. That's the reason I bought it. And let's bring it out from the box and have a look in depth in this model. So here it is, green carbon texture material. Before we go towards the model, comes with the plexi glass cover to protect from dust. As you can see over here, it can be removed. If you don't want to keep it with the cover, you can remove it and keep it like that. And comes with a black base with red stitching over here, as you can see, and a monogram of shield of Koenigsegg Regera M style and the serial number. This one is 93 out of 398 in total. It's a limited edition and a very good looking model. The paintwork is excellent on this model, as you can see, and the carbon texture coming out of it. Excellent job done by Sophiart. Really cool model, and love the color and the exterior as well. We'll go in detail in the exterior in a while. Let's start from the front end. As you can see, the splitters, all carbon fiber over here. A huge front with all the splitter and air intakes going in to cool out the wheels and the brake discs over here. Good quality of light work is there, and as you can see, the carbon texture going on in the paint. The camera is not doing the justice with the paint. The paint is totally different. What I can see, maybe it's my lights, or it's a green, but it's a very good pistachio green, tightened green, maybe you can say. Even the weaves, in the center over here, are nicely matched on the both ends. You have a look, and it goes from here till the end, matching the weaves. There's a good touch in it, like an original car. They do it. Then there are carbon fiber vents over here as well. And of course the Koenigsegg egg logo in the front. It's embossed in. Really good aerodynamic features in this car. The splitter is huge and excellent. Moving further, again the carbon fiber wing over here. It's in black color and the upper part is in green. I really like the curves and lines going on, and the big huge scoop over here, the vent to cool out this engine and everything, and a Regera logo where you are. Talking about the wheels, they are carbon fiber, black carbon fiber, shiny, with black brake calipers with Koenigsegg logo on it, and in the front as well on the opening hood. Two-tone side mirrors, black and green with carbon fiber work. The detail of carbon fiber is extraordinary on this model. Really love it. I mean, this is the first Sophiart model in my collection, and maybe second. I have a Pagani as well, but that is Evan style. This is Sophiart, so I really love it. A huge scoop over here for the vents to air downforce air to cool out. The system is that the air goes from here and comes out from here. This is not an exhaust. This is a exhaust, but not the conventional exhaust for the engine. The conventional exhausts are placed over here and here. It's a technology, and it's a big back diffuser with the wings. The lights are excellent, good quality work, Koenigsegg logo as well. Too many cuts and shapes, aerodynamics are placed to bring it in the downforce, because it's the fastest car. It was the fastest car, so the wing is also, this is not movable. It's a resin model, so the wing doesn't move as well. That is a shame in this model, that they are resin, but still it's a good quality model. Yeah. Too much carbon fiber in it. Texture. It was a good decision with the color and the scheme, everything. Talking about the details, I mean, you can see, I mean, over here as well in the mirror, the detail is of Koenigsegg is printed over here as well, like the original car, and everything is there. Too glossy paint work going on, very shiny. Now moving towards the interior, that is the difficult part to manage because of non-opening parts, but still we will do something about it. It's in orange. I'll say orange. If I'm wrong, maybe you guys can correct me with the color of the interior. And the black part is all carbon fiber textured, even over here as well, this air vents. Huge glass in the front, and the seats as well, they have a Koenigsegg logo over there on the headrest, behind the headrest. So moving towards the steering, if you guys can have a look. Yeah, very good interior as well, going quite many things over there. Yeah, the detail is very good on this model. Let's see it from here. Cup holder, glass cup holders for the coffee for 2 people. And the steel, you can see the seats have the black lining going on in there. Maybe it's green or maybe it's green. Can't tell it from here. Looks like black to me. But still, it's a very good model with very good color combination with the interior and exterior. And the wing is out, the back wing. Really like the concept of the exhaust over here. Merged with the wings. Some small details of the parking sensors and a camera over here, I think. Yeah. This thing is a camera, I think. And a Regera logo on the exhaust cube. So guys, what do you think about the model? Please do let me know in the comments, and do let me know about my review as well. If I have any flaws, please do let me know. It helps a lot to improve, and hopefully you have enjoyed the video. Till next time, take care and stay tuned. In the next video, we'll be having a big surprise coming for you guys. And it's a good one, trust me. So take care and God bless you all. Bye.